Hi everyone, my name is Patricia Nicole M. Alada from BSCE 3A, and my report is all about zinc metals. Zinc is a chemical element with the symbol Zn and atomic number 30. Zinc is a slightly brittle metal at room temperature and has a silvery grayish appearance when oxidation is removed. It is the first element in group 12 of the periodic table. Zinc is the 24th most abundant element in Earth's crust and has 5 stable isotopes. Zinc uses range from metal products to rubber and medicines. In 1746, zinc is identified as an element but known to the Greeks and Romans before 20 BC. The name zinc is derived from the German, which may in turn be derived from the Persian word sing, meaning stone. Zinc is discovered by Andreas Margraf. These are the images of zinc metals. Origin of zinc metals. Zinc was known to the Romans but rarely used. It was first recognized as a metal in its own right in India, and the waste from a zinc smelter at Zawar in Rajasthan testifies to the large scale on which it was refined during the period 1100s to the 1500s. Zinc refining in China was carried out on a large scale by the 1500s. An East India Company ship which sank off the coast of Sweden in 1745 was carrying a cargo of Chinese zinc, and analysis of reclaimed ingots showed them to be almost the pure metal. This is Andreas Margraf, who discovered zinc. Andreas Sigismund Margraf was born in 1709 and died in 1782. He was a German chemist in 1746. Centuries before zinc was recognized as a distinct element, zinc ores were used for making brass. A brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Alloy containing 87% zinc was found in prehistoric ruins in Transylvania. Zinc was officially discovered in 1746. Margraf received credit for the discovery because he published the distillation process in careful detail. The category of zinc. Represented in the periodic table as Zn, zinc is a transition metal group with cadmium and mercury. Availability. Zinc is mined in over 50 countries, with Canada being the leading producer, followed by Russia, Australia, Peru, United States, and China. Deposits of zinc-bearing ores are found in most provinces of Canada, as well as in the Yukon and Northwest Territories. Function. Zinc uses range from metal products to rubber and medicines. About 3/4 of zinc used is consumed as metal, mainly as a coating to protect iron and steel from corrosion. Galvanized metal. As alloying metal to make bronze and brass, a zinc-based die, casting alloy, and as rolled zinc. Zinc is an abundant metal found in the Earth's crust with a myriad of industrial and biological uses. A base metal, zinc is primarily used to galvanize steel, a process that protects the metal against unwanted corrosion. Uses and sample of application of zinc. Zinc is widely used in the die casting industry. At present, zinc is the world's fourth most widely consumed metal after iron, aluminum, and copper. It has strong anti-corrosive properties and is well connected to other metals. Accordingly, about half of the zinc produced is used in galvanizing zinc, which is the method of applying thin layers of zinc to iron or steel to avoid rusting. The next leading use of zinc is as an alloy. The zinc is mixed with copper and other metals to form materials used in vehicles. A third significant use of zinc is in the production of zinc oxide, which is used as protective skin ointment in rubber manufacture. And zinc is essential to health as well. The adult human body contains between 2 and 3 grams of zinc, which is the amount required for proper functioning of the body's enzymes, tests, and quality assurance for zinc. All zinc compounds are either soluble in or are decomposed by boiling with acids, the zinc going into solution. Zinc forms only one series of salts, and these are colorless. Their chief characteristic is solubility in an alkaline solution, from which sulfuretted hydrogen produces a white precipitate of a zinc sulfide. Zinc is detected by dissolving the substance in hydrochloric or nitric acid, boiling and adding sodium hydrate in excess, filtering and adding ammonium sulfide to the filtrate. The precipitate contains the zinc, which can be dissolved out by boiling with dilute sulfuric acid and detected by the formation of a white precipitate on the addition of potassic ferrocyanide. So, solutions containing zinc ions are usually colorless. When we test for the presence of zinc ions using the sodium hydroxide, test the small sample solution, add a few drops of sodium hydroxide, notice. So, principles of zinc. The most common zinc ore is sphalerite, which is zinc blende, a zinc sulfide mineral. The largest workable lodes are in Australia, Asia, and the United States. Zinc is refined by froth flotation of the ore, roasting, and final extraction using electricity, electrowinning. So the sphalerite is an important ore of zinc. Around 95% of all primary zinc is extracted from sphalerite ore. However, due to its variable trace element content, sphalerite is also an important source of several other metals such as cadmium, gallium, and indium, which replace zinc. Manufacturing. Zinc oxide is an inorganic compound with a large number of uses. Zinc oxide has a chemical formula that is known by ZnO. Its molar mass is 81.379. The molecule is formed by the cation Zn positive 2 and then the anion O negative 2. Zinc oxide has two main structures, which is the hexagonal and cubic, but hexagonal crystals are commonly found. The chemical structure can be seen below in the common representations used for organic molecules. Sample calculations. A sample of zinc metal is reacted with hydrochloric acid and 44.2 ml of hydrogen gas are collected by water displacement. So water temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. The water level is 54 mm higher inside the eudiometer. Barometric pressure is 752 millimeters of mercury, and water vapor pressure at 22 degrees Celsius is 20 millimeters of mercury. So here's the solution. Calculate the mass of zinc in the sample. So 54 times 1 divided by 13.6 is equals to 3.97 millimeters of mercury. So 752 minus 3.97 minus 20 is equals to 728 millimeters of mercury. So 728 times 1 divided by 760 is equals to 0.9579 atmospheric pressure. So the answer is 0.9579 atm. So end products. Zinc is also used in alloys such as brass, nickel, silver, and aluminum solder. Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of very many products such as paints, rubber, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, plastics, inks, soaps, batteries, textiles, and electrical equipment. So that would be all. My name is Patricia Nicole M. Alada from BSCE 3A. Thank you for listening.